Okay, because we getting real creative. We gotta start off with this Prime Set Refresh. Yeah, I love this little NYX spray right here. It really opens you up. Like in the morning, I had like a spray like this before. I had got it from Ulta, and they was like put it in the freezer, or I mean not the freezer, the refrigerator. It'd be cool, so when you spray it, girl, yeah. All right, this is not a promotion, so I use my pencil, but if you want to use Find It, you can use that. Concealer brush, eyebrows, spoolie. I'm sorry. And what is this? Concealer little pros that I got from Beauty Supply. I gotta scoot it up a little closer. Ooh, about my face, I'm breaking out. It's just not even done for real. Her not done. Look, never mind. I changed my mind. I'm used to this. Can't be that close. We gonna start off with the straight eyebrow. See, my eyebrow a little arch. You got a little arch. I don't got that much eyebrow, but it's a little arch. You feel me? I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, maybe if I conceal it first. Nah, cause I'm gonna get confused. I'ma see ya. Oh, okay. This is definitely an eyebrow. What? A girl, look like an alien. Low key though, it's giving low key. Like already, I'm feeling it. It's a bit thick, but I mean, I can work with this. This is what happens when you're an artist. Of course, I'm gonna speed it up because I ain't finna be having y'all here all day watching me do my eyebrows. Okay, so got my concealer. And we just gonna look. This is the trick right here. Since we're trying to make it straight, we just gonna disregard everything that you see. Yay! Still look arched. I tried to make it as straight as possible. I just can't help it that my eyebrows go hard. You know what I'm saying? Let me go up a little bit. Ugh, I'm tired of looking at that. This gonna have to be a little arch. I'm sorry. Wait a minute. I'm blend this in so I could give it. I need the full effect. I don't know why I decided to do both. Like, I'm probably gonna leave this eyebrow like this. The next one, y'all, I don't know how I'm gonna pull that off. This a little light. Feel like a king when I'm next to you. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so this is the straight eyebrow. Low key, I could rock this one. It's really giving fierce, okay? Girl, this eyebrow is cute. I ain't gonna Lisa. What y'all think about the straight? So I'ma just do this one with the other. This eyebrow really need help. This eyebrow that need help the most. So now we gonna do cola or shola. I don't know. I know people like shola, what? But like my middle name is Shakayla, and I say the CH like sh, so Shakayla. So I don't know. Y'all know how they be using like glue? I really need that because I don't know how I'm gonna do this. This is like a real hot arch. It's just a hot arch. It's just a hot arch. I got this. Hold on. Reverse. Look there, and then make your own little eyebrow. What's cracking, you heard? Hey, what's cracking, you heard? Hey, I know it look a little crazy right now, but like when I get that concealer, y'all know what's going in. Okay, it need a box front, a front box. I think I'm getting somewhere with this. I already got some concealer on my hand. Okay, so this one, it's a little too thin for me. And just imagine if the other one was like this. Like, it's just it's long. It's really long. Oh, I do this for the next photo shoot. I don't even gotta raise my eyebrows because they look raised. Yeah, I don't know. It's giving real Halloween look. I mean, I did it kind of cute, but I feel like all these eyebrows gonna be cute just because I'm an eyebrow artiste. Good. I'm not even gonna try this next one because they playing, bro. What? You know what? It's a challenge, so I'm gonna try it anyways. This is not what I signed up for. I think I'm on the wrong thing. So this is super thin. I just need to align to get me there. This is definitely a joke, like, because no way. I mean, I have seen people with their eyebrows like this. They be tattooed. Nah, I don't know, because people tattoo their eyebrows on like normal eyebrows now. They don't tattoo their eyebrow like straight anymore. Let's see though. This is how you know concealer works magic. Like, seriously. Look at, I don't even got the pimples on my forehead no more. But it just really made my whole eyebrow disappear. Like, I'm still doing a little arch. I just can't help myself. This is giving very much gel. Let me get some foundation to make this blend in just a little bit more. Okay, y'all have to look at it from far away because with lashes though, I ain't gonna lie. What y'all thinking? This how thin my eyebrows look to me. This how my eyebrows look to me. Yeah, what y'all think about this one? It looked like a tattooed eyebrow. Looked like somebody shaved their eyebrows and was like, ooh, line. Yup. Between these two, I look like a cartoon character. Yeah, the next one is so funny. So do a little circle right here. Go up, down, up, down, up, down. And all we do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air. It's kind of like super arched, like right here. And then it go down. But how? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm doing this one right. I guess. Ooh, I messed up. It's time for the twerkulator.
It's probably the alternator. Y'all TikTok is so funny.
I'm struggling and I'm tired. And this, like, I don't know how people be doing makeup looks, like, you know, like exact, like crazy, like all they whole face. They be doing like Halloween looks. I don't know how y'all be doing it because I'm tired just doing eyebrows. And I like literally when I'm doing my makeup, my eyebrows be taking the longest to do. And I be getting tired. And I be like, you know what? Okay, that's why I only do eyebrows and put on lashes and some lip gloss. And once I do my eyebrows, I be looking good. But this right here, this ain't working. Like, it ain't doing this. This eyebrow wasn't given from the beginning. I ain't never seen nobody eyebrows like this. You know what? I look crazy. I look real crazy. This is what I wanted to go for. I went the complete opposite direction and did the Halloween eyebrows. Apparently. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll be giving y'all more content soon. This dog looking at me like, girl, you was talking to yourself. Like, she literally looking at me like, stop talking to yourself. Hold on. You just come. Bro, this so funny. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell your homeboys, your homegirls, your uncles, your aunties, your mamas, your cousins, your grannies, everybody. Because, you know, it's just, I got a little fun with channel, you know, just doing stuff like this. Thank you for everybody that wished me well, like, during my COVID situation. I appreciate that. Y'all stay safe out there again. Thx Mieek TV out.